Okay, so next up, I want to take a look at do-while loops. And a do-while loop is very similar to a while loop, as the name might suggest. But a do-while loop looks like this. And what you can see here is that it looks different than a while loop because what it starts out with is the word do. And you can see in this case, the condition is after the code that's to be looped. And the reason for this, or the effect that this has, is pretty significant. And the effect is that the code to be looped will run at least one time, no matter what the condition is. So even if the condition is false from the first minute, the code to be looped is going to be run at least one time. And so the difference between a while loop and a do while loop is that the while loop may not run the code. If the condition is false to begin with, the code gets skipped. In a do while loop, the code is run at least one time. And if the condition is true following that one time, then it continues to run until the condition is false. So that's the big difference. Otherwise, they're pretty much the same. You can see the condition here, which says the loop will stop when it's false. But remember, the code gets executed first, at least one time. That's the key difference between while and do while. Okay? So keep that in mind. But here is that same counter with a do while structure. So we're going to go back and take a look at the code.